Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM6 is leaking from the jug when cooking, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to wear and tear on the sealing ring or damage to the jug itself. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including potential damage to the internal components of your device. It's essential to tackle this problem promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement sealing ring, and a soft cloth for cleaning. To begin, ensure your Thermomix TM6 is unplugged. Start by removing the base screws located at the back of the device using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Be careful not to force anything, as this could damage the casing. Next, locate the jug assembly. The sealing ring, which tends to be the culprit for leaks, can usually be found around the top of the jug. Carefully inspect it for any cracks or signs of wear. If it looks damaged, it's time to remove it. Use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the old sealing ring. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the jug. Once removed, clean the area thoroughly with the soft cloth to ensure a good seal with the new ring. Now, take the replacement sealing ring and carefully place it into the groove of the jug, ensuring it fits snugly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the new sealing ring in place, reassemble the Thermomix by aligning the cover back onto the base and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to prevent any future leaks. Finally, plug in your device and run a short cooking program to test for any leaks. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM6. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check and clean the sealing ring after use, and replace it as soon as you notice any wear or damage. Keeping your jug clean and well maintained will help prolong its life and ensure leak-free cooking. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.